In today's fast-paced world, many people are turning to supplements to help boost energy, improve mental focus, and support healthy aging. One product that's recently gained attention is the Zooone NR1000 NAD+ berry-flavored drink mix. Marketed as a daily supplement for energy, skin support, and cognitive performance, it sounds promising, but is it really worth it? And more importantly, is the brand's official website, Zooone.1, safe to buy from? What is Zooone NR1000 NAD+? Zooone NR1000 is a dietary drink mix designed to deliver NAD+, Nicotinamide Adenine Dinucleotide, a naturally occurring compound, in the body responsible for energy production and cell repair. As we age, NAD+ levels decline, which may contribute to fatigue, slower metabolism, and signs of aging. This supplement aims to replenish those levels using a tasty berry-flavored powder that's easy to mix into your daily routine. Each box contains 30 individual servings. It's not only marketed for energy and focus, but also for skin support and mental clarity. It pairs nicely with other Zooone products like sea moss, which includes a powerful mix of vitamins and minerals to enhance stamina and help the body perform at its best. Key benefits of Zooone NR1000 energy and endurance support. NAD+ helps convert food into energy at the cellular level, making it a great choice for people who need a natural pick-me-up. Cognitive clarity. Users have reported better focus and mental sharpness after regular use. Skin health. With antioxidants and anti-aging support, it's designed to help reduce the appearance of wrinkles and boost skin vitality. Immune system support. The combination of vitamins and nutrients also aids in keeping your body resilient. Is Zooone.1 legit or a scam? Despite the product's appealing claims, caution is advised when buying from Zooone.1, the company's official website. According to multiple online scanning services, including scamadvisor.com, Zooone.1 has a very low trust score. This score is based on factors such as limited online presence, lack of verified customer reviews, and unclear ownership details. While these issues don't prove that the website is a scam, they do raise red flags. Many consumers prefer to buy from well-known platforms or wait until the brand has earned more credibility through third-party reviews and transparent practices. Final thoughts. Should you try Zooone NR1000? Zooone NR1000 NAD+ looks promising on paper. With a blend of performance-boosting ingredients and wellness support, it could be a solid addition to your supplement routine. However, due to concerns about the website's legitimacy, it's best to do your research or look for the product through more reputable sellers before making a purchase. Always consult your doctor before starting any new supplement, especially if you're managing ongoing health conditions.